just gonna pretend like there's a bunch of sun outside. But in reality, there is none. It is a very rainy day here in New York City.
So this is a lot of fun to do. Please keep in mind that it is not like an actual tutorial for you to go outside and wear it unless you're feeling frisky and you want to do it. I mean, who the hell gives a crap? If you want to wear highlighter outside, be my guest. Like, just highlighter makeup, be my guest, because who the F cares? Did you pay for my highlight? No. So enjoy. But thanks so much for watching. Until next video, bye guys.